And it's not about being arrogant, and it's not about not being self-aware. Each of us has a superpower. I could not leave Women's History Month without talking about the imposter syndrome. Oh my goodness, I get that question all the time, especially when I'm speaking to women leaders in some form or fashion. Hear me clearly. Banish the imposter syndrome. I understand it's a real thing. I understand that we've been talking about it for over 30 years because it was certainly a topic when I left Harvard Business School in 1987. But hear me clearly. There's no reason for you to have the imposter syndrome, because if you have been delivered into an opportunity, then you are ready for that opportunity. The key is to focus on all of your truths. If you haven't done something for the first time, you have other things that you have done for the first time and you've done them successfully. You are smart, which is why you earned this opportunity in the first place. You are personable, and all the relationships that you have in your life are evidence of that. You are a great executor because, again, if you had not executed things successfully, you wouldn't be in a situation to have this new opportunity in front of you right now. You are a great problem solver. You are results oriented. You understand things clearly. You can communicate things clearly. All of those things are facts about you. And I don't even have to know your history to be able to tell you that, because again, if an opportunity has been delivered to you, then you have all of those things, which is why somebody has spent their capital on you to say, yes, she ought to have that opportunity. Yes, he's the right one for this particular challenge. You have to stay intentional about staying focused on the things that make you great. And it's not about being arrogant, and it's not about not being self-aware. Each of us has a superpower. Each of us have a track record of accomplishment. It's about making sure that you chronicle them. Ask yourself, why me, when you've been chosen for an opportunity? You might even ask the decision maker, why did you choose me? Because you might learn something about how they see you that you had not even seen in yourself. Talk to a good friend and say, give me 3 great things about me, or 3 great things that you like about me. Give me 2 things that you think I could stand to improve. That's another way to get data, and you're getting data from somebody who cares about you and who probably sees you pretty clearly. Imposter syndrome? What? Imposter syndrome? Why? You are all that. Go get them.